Hello, Form 4 Chemistry, Chapter 4, Video number 7, 第7个 video. Okay, new title, Group 1 element, 第一组的元素。they are alkaline metal, 它们叫 alkaline metal. Why are you wearing the mask? 为什么戴口罩 ？Because 因为怕 virus 传播。不过 online 会传播 virus 的吗？不会，不会戴什么口罩呢？无聊，对不对？所以对不起，很无聊，脱下来。Okay, start. Group 1 element 第一组的元素，它们叫 alkaline metal 碱性的金属。Okay. So where's the group ones? Now group number ones. All the elements here, they are group 1 element. 全部都叫 group 1 element except hydrogens. So group 1 element, they are alkaline metal 碱性的金属 except hydrogen. 除了这类东西叫 hydrogen 以外 lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, they are alkaline metal except hydrogen. So now I bring up the table. 把那个表格带出来先。Okay. Next. So group 1 element 第一组的元素 alkaline metal. Like. So group 1 element in the periodic table, they are called alkaline metal. An example, lithium, sodium, potassium, 1, 2, 3, they are the most famous. Rubidium 有曾经用过在巴西 cesium, francium 没有看过他们的名字 OK Or in your lab 在科学室里面 they are under the paraffin oils. We keep the reactive matter because all of them they are very reactive. 全部都很活跃 Lithium, sodium, potassium 都很活跃 So in our lab, we keep them in the paraffin oils 把它们收在蜡油、煤油下面 to prevent a chemical reaction 防止化学反应发生 Okay, so this is the alkaline metal Sodium for example 收在罐子里面收在蜡油的下面你考试答案来的 Okay, next So any physical properties of group 1 element 第一组的元素它们有什么 physical properties What is mean by physical properties Still remember Physical mean non-chemical 不是化学特征的特征 So now we go through slowly 慢慢看有一点重要的 Okay They are solid matter which is soft and shiny 它们都是固体的暖暖发光金属都发光对不对暖暖你可以拿来吃 Okay Conduct electric 导电 Conduct heat because they are metal 啦 Exist in the solid state at room temperature So all the 6 metal group 1 element They are all solid at room temperature Melting point 熔点 Boiling point 沸点 are lower compared to other metal Okay 熔点沸点呢跟其他的金属比呢会比较低 And density is also very low 它的密度也比较低 But certainly they must be higher than water 密度肯定高过水了 Okay So, look at the table. Copy the name first. Group 1 elements. 第一组的元素 Okay. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. 慢慢抄一下 Okay. And now we start look at the table. 看看那个表格啊你曾经在第18组里面看过 Okay. So, if you move down the group 1s Okay, for the group 1s, if you move down the group 1s, the proton number become higher and higher, and the number of electrons become more. Electron 也越来越多 So electron shell become more and more. They occupy more electron shell. So the electron shell become more and more. What happened to the atomic size? 它的 atom 越来越大还是越来越小呢 When the atomic shell become more and more, Okay, the volume become increased, 它的体积增加 or the radius, 它的半直径也增加 So the atomic size increase, 它的 atom 的体积跟着增加 So when the atom become bigger and bigger, 当 atom 越来越大的时候 What happened to the melting point and boiling point? 熔点跟沸点呢到底增加还是减少呢 Don't know, okay? But from your previous experiments or previous experience, good number 18 呢Okay, 第18组的经验呢 When the atom become bigger and bigger, melting point and boiling point going to become higher, 对不对？会越来越高 But for group 1 element, they are different. 它们是完全不一样的 They are opposite. 它们是倒反的 Okay, so copy under your notes 在你的表格那边抄一个东西 Okay, so When the atom become bigger and bigger, the melting point, boiling point will be decreased. 它的熔点、沸点呢降低，不是增加吗？不是降低。So take notes, take care， 小心啦。Special, totally opposite， 完全相反。抄一下。But why? Don't worry, I tell you. 等一下我告诉你为什么呢？Or when you move down the group 1 elements, what happened to the density? You can see the number, the density become higher and higher. 它的密度越来越高。So copy, density increase. But why? 为什么会这样子呢？好奇怪，对不对？ Nothing to worry 啦，不要紧张。OK， 还有一个。When you move down the group 1 element in the periodic table, what happened to the elements? The reactivity of the elements towards a chemical reaction will be increased. 它们化学反应的活跃度呢就会跟着增加。Or when you move down the group 1 element, the reactivity of the element will be increased. 它们的化学特征，它们的化学反应呢会比较快，它们也比较活跃。So copy, the reactivity increase， 它们的活跃度都增加。They are easier to carry out the chemical reactions， 它们比较容易开始化学反应。But why？ 为什么会这样子呢 ？So we have to answer the question 呢，我们必须回答问题。来。看起来不重要，对不对？不过在考试非常好用。So physical properties of the group 1 element, group 1 的元素，它们的 physical properties. So when you move down the group 1s, what happened to the atomic radius or atomic size? Atom 的体积到底增加还是减少呢？增加 ，increase. But why? 为什么会增加呢 ？Okay. So when you move down the group 1 element, the number of electrons become more and more. They occupy more electron shell. 它们占领更多的 electron shell. So when the number of electron shell increase, 当它的 electron shell 越来越多的时候 the volume, the size will be increased, 就会跟着增加。So the number of atomic shell, okay, the number of electrons, 最好的答案是这样写 the number of occupied electron shells increase, okay, the number of occupied electron shell increase. 这样写最美了。它的壳越来越多，它的体积越来越大。Next, when you move down the group 1 elements, the melting point, boiling point decrease. 它的熔点、沸点呢也跟着减少。But why? 为什么减少而不是增加呢 ？So special， 它有一点特别的。Take care 跟你普通想的是倒反的。So copy first， 小心哦。Take care. Why? 为什么呢 ？And this one actually is quite difficult to understand， 它比较难明白的。But don't worry 啦，等一下我解释给你听。You copy first， 你先抄。Atomic size increase cause the metallic bond between the atom become weaker. You copy first. So when you move down the group 1, atom become bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. 它的 atom 变得越来越大。And the increase in the atomic size 增加这的 atomic size, causing the metallic bond between the atom become weaker， 造成金属跟金属的原子之间的 bond， 它的那股拉力呢变成比较弱。But what's mean by metallic bond？ 什么叫 metallic bond？ 有没有听过，对不对 ？Okay, in our Form 4, Form 5 syllabus, we maybe not talk about metallic bond. 我们可能没有提起到 metallic bond. Okay, but don't worry 啦。我现在先告诉你一点点什么叫 metallic bond. So now go anywhere， 找一个空洞，在你的 notes 的任何地方左右上面找一个空空的地方，你抄什么叫 metallic bond？ metallic bond 是什么意思呢 ？Okay, copy first。好了没有 ？Metallic bonds, attraction force between the nucleus of a metallic atom and the electron of other metallic atoms. Okay, attraction force between the nucleus of metallic atom and the electron of other metallic atom. 什么意思呢 ？OK， 就是两粒金属的原子。它的 nucleus 那边的 positive 跟它的 electron 这边的 negative 之间的那股拉力就叫 metallic bond. And I show you one example 啦，我给你看一个 example lithium. Okay, so lithium atoms. Where is the metallic bond? 它的 metallic bond 在哪里呢 ？Okay, so lithium actually is small atom 呢，它的 atom 比较小。And where is the metallic bond? 什么叫 metallic bond? The attractive force between the nucleus of a metallic atom and the electrons of other metallic atoms. Okay? This is a potassium. 什么叫 metallic bond？ 就是一粒金属，它的原子之间，它的 nucleus 的 charge positive， 跟另外一粒原子它的 negative， 它的 electron 这边的 negative， 这边加，这边减，这两个加跟减的拉力呢，就叫 metallic bond. Okay? So what's mean by metallic bond? Okay, the attraction force between the nucleus of a metallic atom and the electrons of other metallic atom. 某某原子，某某金属的原子，它的 nucleus positive 跟另外一粒原子，它的那个 electron 的 negative 之间的那股拉力就叫 metallic bond. Okay? But now you look at the example. Lithium actually is very small. Lithium 它比较小。So the positive and negative charge will be closer. The nucleus and the electron of other atom will be closer. 这边的加跟这边的减呢，因为它小，它会比较靠近，它比较强。OK， 比较强呢就比较难解开，所以它的 melting point 会比较高。Potassium, the atom is bigger. 它的 atom 比较大。So the positive nucleus and the negative electron shell will be further 比较远，它拉力比较弱，拉力比较弱，比较容易解开，所以它的 melting point, boiling point will become lower 了，就降低了。明白吗 ？So when you move down the group number 1， 当你从第一组上面慢慢走下来，从 lithium 走去 potassium，atom 越来越大 ，OK，atom 越来越大，金属之间的拉力越来越弱，所以它的 melting point、boiling point will be decrease， 就降低减少了 ，OK， 所以这种情况就叫 melting、boiling point 降低 ，OK。How about density？ 它的密度怎样呢 ？OK，copy first density。抄这个东西 density 密度 formula mass per volume 质量除体积 But how to write in exam it will give you 2 mark 它可能给你2分怎样写呢那 the idea is here 它的 idea 在这边 So when you move down the group number 1 当你从 group 1上面慢慢的走下来 OK the density increase 它的密度增加了为什么呢 You see When you move down the group number 1 the atomic mass atom 的质量呢 increase significantly 增加的很快很快 OK 7变成23 39 85.5 133 223 But what happened to the volume 它的 volume 怎样呢 OK So atomic mass atom 的质量呢增加的很快很快 But the volume 它的体积 lithium sodium potassium deuterium 气显对不对体积呢增加的很慢很慢 So if the mass 主要质量增加的很快体积增加的很慢 What happened to the density? Density finally will become higher 了它的密度就随着增加 So what happened to the density? The density will be increased 它的密度增加为什么呢 Because the increase in the atomic mass is more rapid compared to the increase in the volume 质量的增加快过体积的增加所以密度就随着增加 copy So increase in the atomic mass more than the increase in the atomic radius or atomic size or atomic volume Okay last electropositivity increase When you move down the group number 1, the electropositivity increase. 什么叫 electropositivity? The first time, 你的第一次听到，对不对 ？So it's quite difficult. 它比较难。And now, no matter how I explain, 不管怎样解释，你都大概不会明白。So come back later. 等一下我们才回来了。Okay? So after I finish the chemical properties, you're going to understand this title. I really will come back, 我真的会回来的，因为这个东西毕竟是重要的。Okay? So now we're going to the next title. 我们会跑去下一个 title， 他们的 chemical properties， 他们的化学特征。And I'll come back this part later. 等一下我才回来这边了。Okay? Set up. Bye bye. Okay? 等下一个 video 啦哈。